Hello students, first of all, a big welcome to Daniel's comprehensive Azure Data Engineering training program. Key topics covered are Azure Introduction, Azure Synapse Analytics Serverless SQL Pools, Data Warehouse using Apache Spark, Data Exploration and Transformation in Azure Databricks, Transform Data with Azure Data Factory, Azure Synapse Pipelines, Real-Time Stream Processing with Stream Analytics, Machine Learning Processes in Azure Synapse Analytics, Analyze and Optimize Data Warehouse Storage, Power BI Integration with Azure Synpace Analytics. These topics will help you prepare for Microsoft Certification Exam DP 203. Course duration is 40 hours or 4 weeks. The course fee is $600 per student. This is a live interactive course, and recorded videos of each session will also be shared with students. We offer both corporate and calendar training. This course covers the topics required for the Microsoft Certification Exam DP 203 in detail. We also are providing materials and question banks for the certification exam. The training schedule is Sunday to Thursday 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. EST. We can also do custom training schedule for our corporate clients. Let us talk about the course trainer, Mr. Pavan, a Microsoft Certified Azure Data Engineer, DP 203, with 5 years of hands-on Microsoft Azure Data Stack experience. His expertise is with Azure Data Platform includes Azure Databricks, Delta Lake, Data Factory, Synapse, HD Insight, Data Catalog, and Cosmos DB. Besides, he also has significant experience in big data infrastructure and software development. He has a great passion for mentoring students, and he will take you deep into the Azure Data Platform domain. Please reach out to Daniel for course details and registration information. Thank you for showing interest in Daniel's comprehensive Azure Data Engineering training program. Your career is all about what you know and how well you market it. Thank you and take care.